Hello everyone, Sudip here and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Kali Linux in your VirtualBox. So let's get started. For that, go to your browser and type download Kali Linux. After that, hit enter. And from the search results, go to official website of Kali Linux, this one, downloading Kali Linux. Click on that. From here, go to get Kali. And on this window, choose the installer image. After that, here, choose the image as per your computer properties. If you have 64-bit, just choose this one. And if you have 32-bit, choose this one. I'm downloading 64-bit. After that, hit download. So it has started downloading. It's like 3.9 GB file. So it will take a while. So I'll just go to next step. Now the Kali Linux image has been downloaded. So go to VirtualBox. Here go to new, and if this window is under guided mode and and on this window if it is under export mode, then leave it as it is. But if it is under guided mode like this, just select export mode, and after that just type name as Kali Linux. Leave this folder as it is. Under ISO image option, just select the image you downloaded. After that, go to version and make sure your version is Ubuntu and the bit is either 64-bit or 32-bit as per your operating system. My one is 64 bits, so I'm choosing Ubuntu 64 bits. And if you have 32, just choose Ubuntu 32 bits. After that, go to hardware and customize your base memory and processor as per your requirement. As long as you select between these green zones, then you should be fine. And I recommend you not to go beyond this green zone. And if you want to make some additional changes later on, just go to settings. And on the system, you can change the memory and processor settings as well. And for now, I'm gonna go to display, and under video memory, I'm gonna make it maximum, that is 128 GB. And after that, just click OK. And once it is done, just click on start. It is powering up now, so it might take a while. So I'm gonna go to next step. Okay, so you can see this window now. Here, just click on graphical install as we are doing full installation. Once you select that graphical install, just hit enter. Now here, select your language and select the country. And here, select the keyboard style. Okay, on this window, you need to give a host name. You can leave it as Kali. That's fine. Just press continue. Here, under domain name, just leave it blank. And under full name of the user, type your name and press continue. And here you need to choose your password. Once you choose your password, just click continue. Here, select your time zone. After that, it will start loading again. On this window, just select guided use entire disk. On this window, select this one and press continue. And on this window, just select this option, all files in one partition, and hit continue. Here, select the last option and press continue. On this window, under write the changes to disk, select yes and continue. So it will load again. And on this window, here you can see all the default options are selected. And if you want to make some changes to it, you can make it. Otherwise, you can keep it as it is. So I'm gonna keep it as it is and continue. Okay guys, this step is taking a bit of time, so be patient and wait until this is finished. Okay, after it is finished loading, it will take you to this window. Here, just select yes and then click on continue. And on this window, select this option and click continue. After that, it will start loading again. Okay, once the loading is done, it will take you to this window. Just press continue on this. So once you press on continue, it will take you to this window, this Kali Linux login window. So here just put your username and password you created in the beginning and press login. So after you put your username and password, it will log you in. After you log in, you can see Kali Linux window here.